Sometimes we found that people who try to focus on studying all the time make more mistakes overall. Maybe our brain will get more breaks. We need to take a longer break of about 15 to 20 minutes. But people will tend to dismiss a break as laziness. It's not really the case. When we take a break from studying and do something like this, take a walk, drink water, move around, or meditate, these can make our brain get more breaks and stays refreshed throughout the day. Then we don't experience any burnout in studying. It helps us avoid distractions so that we can pay more attention to preparing our lessons and get more things done. Maybe learning this way is called the method of efficiency.